This is all about flavor, and I mean packed full of flavor. Because today we are going to make some bang bang shrimp tacos on the Blackstone. And yeah, we have a good bit of stuff, more than we normally have here, but it's okay. It's going to work out, I promise you. You probably have most of this stuff in your pantry right now. Now, I know there's a lot of recipes out there for bang bang chicken, bang bang shrimp, whatever. And we're going to kind of go along them guidelines, but I'm going to put a little bit of twist on here, put our little spin on things, make this unique. And that's the great thing about any recipe is, you can make it yours. I'm going to show you how I'll make mine. So let's get things to cooking and go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. We do have some prep to do, so let's get that done while that Blackstone heats up. So first things first, we got to have some room to work here. So let's just move things around because we got to make, I guess you call this a dressing for our slaw. I'll show you how it's done, or how I'm going to make it anyhow. So we're going to start off with a little bit of oil, some olive oil. Don't need a whole lot. Soy sauce. Use the less sodium, which is what I'm using if you want to, or not. It's up to you. And of course, you can see I'm not really measuring. That's maybe what, a quarter, not even a quarter of a cup. Rice wine vinegar. Gotta have some rice wine vinegar. Add that little bit of, that little bit of oomph you need. Let's see here. Sesame seed oil. Get that in there. And last but not least, some island stir fry. Now, this is optional. Of course, I guess all of it's optional, isn't it? Add some of that in there. And let's just give this a good mix and see how this turned out. Now, the reason I got it in this big bowl right here is we're going to just dump the cabbage into it, our slaw here, pre-made slaw, and kind of just mix it up and let it get all good and tasty. Let's see what we got here. That needs more soy. It needs more soy. So we're going to put a good bit more soy in there. Other than that, I think that's going to be it. Let's try that. That's it. That's what I'm looking for right there. So let's get our slaw opened up here. Couldn't find my knife. We'll just dump some of that in there. Don't know if I need the whole bag or not, but we're going to use about that much. Get this other little bag of stuff out of here. We don't need that old stuff. We got better stuff than that right here in this bowl. And let's just give this slaw a mix. The reason we want to do this first is kind of let it sit and marinate and kind of pickle, I guess you'd say. Not really pickle, but just get all the flavors throughout. That's what you want. I think that'll be good right there. Let's try a little bit of this and see how it is. That is good. That is good. So we don't need this whole pack right here. That thing is just, we made something better. So now we got to make that bang bang sauce. So grab up another bowl. Let's kind of move things here out of the way so y'all can see better. Duke's mayo. I mean, use that other stuff if you want to, but if you got Duke's, grab the Duke's. Let's put a good bit in there. 2 heaping. Let's go with 3. Let's go with 3. 3 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons. I say I don't measure. Maybe I need to measure. Probably be better. But anyhow, measure with your heart. Sweet Thai chili sauce. Gotta have some of that. Gotta have some of that. And then some sriracha. Gotta have the sriracha. I should have opened it. Come on. It's okay, I'll just open it this way. Haha. More than one way to skin a cat, I promise you that. A little bit of sriracha. Let's give this a mix. But while I'm mixing this, I'm sitting there thinking, this is typical bang bang sauce. Who says it's got to be typical? Let's add some island stir fry into it also. Make it even better. Make it even better. Man, it looks good. Try it out. See if we need to add anything to it. Oh, yeah. That's perfect right there. That is perfect. Yeah, I mean, look at the consistency of that right there. That is beautiful. So, we need to get working on that shrimp. Now, as far as the shrimp goes, I just have some small shrimp here already being cleaned up, deveined, tails off, you know, just ready to cook with. So, but what we're going to do is we got to bread them. We got to bread the shrimp. So I have some flour here, 3 eggs, and some panko breadcrumbs. Now, to this flour, I am going to add some essential blend. Got to have some flavor in that flour. Got to have flavor in the flour. Maybe I need to put on a t-shirt. Flavor your flour. Let's get that mixed up there. Good to go. What we're going to do is kind of set up a dredging station, I guess you'd say. It's going to be flour, egg wash, and then breadcrumbs. But the egg wash, I guess we need to go ahead and get that done, don't we? So let's crack open a few eggs here. You know, I ain't learned how to do that little one-handed crack yet. I'm going to work on that. I'm going to work on that. Maybe one day soon I'll be good like that. But right now I'm not. Let's just give that a whisk now. And there we go. And now we can kind of start our dredging of the shrimp. So what we're going to do is just throw some shrimp over here in this flour, and then hit it with some egg wash, and then hit it with some panko, like that. That'll give it a nice little crunchy texture. I mean, look at that right there. Get some more there on there. There we go. Look at that. That's what we're wanting. So let's get the rest of these done, and we'll get to cooking. So now that we have all that shrimp dredged up, we got to clean up our mess. But anyhow, look how this shrimp turned out, y'all. It is dredged, ready for that griddle. Let's stir up our slaw just a little bit more here. Kind of mix everything up, get it still doing its thing. This yum yum sauce is, well, yum yum, bang bang sauce. But it's going to be yum yum. Come on, let's go check on that griddle. Let's get to cooking, come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries on this griddle. But to do this, we need a lot of oil. We're going to kind of shallow fry this shrimp. Speaking of shrimp, here it is. Go ahead and slide it off here and just start spreading it out. The shrimp does like to stick together because of all that egg and stuff that we put on there, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to let it cook and kind of let it get separated. Gotta keep them separated. Sometimes you just hear things and remind you of a song. You ever do that, or is it just me? I do it a lot. Anyhow, come in here and let's add a little more oil around here and get this stuff to frying. I'm gonna tell you right now, I can absolutely smell this. I wish you could smell it, because this smells amazing right now. And after just a few minutes, get you some tongs that work. These work. Let's get to flipping. Just come in here. Look at that golden brown on that shrimp, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Just come in here and just flip each one over and get it cooking on that other side. That's the one thing about shrimp, is it does not take long at all to cook. And if you need to, just add more oil. You kind of got them separated even more now. So just add some oil in here and let them fry. And just look at that golden brown on these shrimp right here. These will be good just like they are, without any sauce, without anything else. I just eat a bowl full of these just like that right there. And now that this shrimp is about done, let's move things over and get them tortillas heated up. Let's just slide everything over like this. Kind of clean off our griddle a little bit. Don't need a whole lot cleaned up, just a little bit. Grab you up some taco-sized tortillas, and we're going to go down with 6 of them, because I'm going to make 6 of these tacos. So let's just get these things warmed up. That one don't look right, but we're going to use it anyhow. You ever get some in here that just don't look right? Well, that was one of them. Out there is probably really, really thick. Let's get 6 of these down here. We got 2 more just in case we want to make extra later on. What we're going to do here is just warm these shells up. We don't really want to crisp them up, just warm them up. But man, that shrimp right there is on point. After about a minute or so, just come in here and flip your tortilla shells. Let them cook as long as you want. That's up to you. I'm just looking for them to get them warmed up just a little bit. And so while they're heating up on the other side, grab you up a bowl or a dish, whatever this may be, and take that shrimp up. That one there, I tell you, that one there, like a little stranger, I need to eat it. Now, grab you up a taco rack. Let's get these in place. Oh, they're nice and warm, not too hot, just perfect. Just perfect. Now, if you don't have this taco rack, I'll leave a link for it down below in the description. Let's go over here and build these things, come on. And so now we got to put everything together. But, you know, we have this bang bang sauce over here, y'all. This delicious bang bang sauce. What we're going to do is take and just kind of pour it in here, and we're going to mix this shrimp up. I don't want it too saucy, but I don't want it not saucy enough. Wait a minute. Need my tongs. We're just going to kind of mix this together in here. See how saucy it is right now. And see if it's the way we want. Y'all, I think that's going to work. I really do. I really do. Perfect. So now what we're going to do, we're going to build our tacos. Let's go over here and start adding shrimp into our tacos. Some of this nice, crunchy, tasty shrimp. Ooh, it's windy out here. Let's get this last one here loaded up with some shrimp. Man, there's going to be some good eating right here, showing up. Here we go. Now, we need that Asian slaw, this Asian slaw right here. And you don't need a lot of it on each one. You're just adding just a little bit more flavor is all we're looking for. Get this last one done right here. Now, from here you can say it's done. Or you can take a little bit more of this bang bang sauce and just kind of, you can take a couple of them and just drizzle across the top like this, see? Like this, see? Oh yeah. Kind of just dress it up a little bit. Because this sauce is banging. Banging bang bang sauce. So I'm going to do 3 of these like this, 3 without. Then there's one more thing you got to do. And that is, we're here and find this island stir fry. Hope this wind don't catch it too much. And a little post dust is a must. There we go. Y'all, they are done. I'm going to clean up a little bit, take some really good glamour shots, show you this up close, and I'm going to dig into one. I mean, look at all that flavor down in these tacos right here. Yes, sir. These over here with that sauce on top, just that much more flavor. These are going to be good, y'all. I'm going to tell you, it is hard for me to stand here and take pictures of this and videos and reels and whatever, smelling it, looking at it. My mouth is drooling. I got to take a bite, y'all. I'm going to grab this one right here. Look at that. What I like about this is, look, warmed up just enough where it holds its shape. Holy mackerel. That is freaking amazing. That slaw with that bang bang sauce. That's hitting. That is hitting, y'all. I'm telling you right now, make this. If you don't have this on a regular rotation at your house, something's wrong. Man, this is good. I'm going to tell you, a lot of times I tell you, you know, show me the variations of whatever you do different. Don't do nothing different. Make it just like this and you will be very happy. I tell you, I got to have another bite. Wow. You know, I'm gonna tell you, I have made some really good food on this channel here, and even when off camera, this is probably one of the best things I've ever made. This is amazing, y'all. I know it sounds like I'm bragging about it, but yeah, I am bragging about it. This is good. Make this, take pictures, take videos, take reels, tag me, let me see what you've done, and I want to see it. With that, I got to take these inside. Probably going to come out here and make some more. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.